Welcome to the auto shop in beautiful Plano, Texas. As you know, we have the drop box, so you don't even have to come inside. All you have to do is fill out your information, put your keys in the envelope, stuff it through the door there, the mail slot, and you don't even have to come inside. Just make sure you sign the envelope. And when the vehicle is done, you can go to our website, pay for the services, and then if you want to pick your vehicle up instead of having us deliver it to you within a 5-mile radius, you can tell us and we'll put your keys and your receipt in the little locker slot here, and we will tell you the slot that it's in, and we'll tell you the code. This is not going to be the code, just so you know, and we'll have it all locked inside for you, ready for you to pick up. So yes, we are open. Come see us at the auto shop, 972-578-0588, and it's theautoshop.com.